Welcome back, guys, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a fisheye lens effect in After Effects. Starting out, I'm going to right click right here, go over to new and create a new adjustment layer, and make sure it's on top of our clip right here. I'm going to go to my effects control, just going to click right there, so make sure it's enabled. First effect you want to add is exposure. I'm going to go right here. And just for my clip, it depends on your clip, you might have to adjust your exposure, but for this one I'm going to put it around at 170. You can also mess around with your exposure to your liking. You don't have to follow these settings to the T. It just mainly depends on your actual clip and how bright or how dark it is. But apart from that, I'm going to close out our exposure right there, and then for the next effect I'm going to add is CC lens. And it's going to create this fisheye effect right here, but we're actually going to make a couple changes. We're going to put our size at 70, and then our convergence at 14. It's going to start creating this fisheye effect right here. Then we're going to close it out since we're not going to mess with it anymore. Then our next effect we're going to add is CC vignette. Drag it in, and the purpose of this is just to get rid of this harsh cutout right here. It's gonna blend it in pretty good. So I'm gonna go to CC vignette right here, go to our amount and put at 763. Then our view at 67.1. Then our highlights right down here at 64. And if you really want, you can also just bring down our angle view right here, then our amount, and it just really depends on messing around with it. Maybe increasing or decreasing our pin highlight a bit. Once after that, we're going to close out CC vignette, and then for the next effect we're going to add right here is Gaussian blur. We're going to put our blurriness at 12, blur dimensions right here at vertical. Then I'm going to close it out. And then for the next thing we're going to add is optics compensation. Drag it in right there. We're going to put an FOV right here at 105.3. Then it starts coming out pretty nice. If you really want to, you can mess around with these right here. More of a different effect. So I'm heading back to CC vignette. Then I'm actually going to mess around with our pin highlights a bit. I'm actually going to increase it more so we get rid of this right here. So right there is pretty good. Gonna close that out, save our project, and apart from that, if you followed this video step by step, your final product should look like this. If you're new here and you learned something new or you enjoyed this tutorial, I would appreciate if you were to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. Apart from that, keep on working hard, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video, and always make sure to stay creative. Peace out.